my chickens, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be following Patrick Starr's makeup tutorial. I'm super excited to do this video because everyone obviously does their makeup so differently, and I just wanted to give it a go and see how he does his makeup. I have watched a few of his makeup tutorials before, so he's amazing at makeup. Let's see if we can recreate it as good as him. So I have a video up right here called America's Next Top Model Makeup Tutorial. And I'm just going to put everything on the screen so you can see it. I'm going to sit right here so you guys can watch the video here. So let's go ahead and start. I'm excited. Let's do this. This is my bad side. Aww.
Want to be on top? Or are you a bottom?
You want to be on top?
So now that my skin is fresh, I'm going to prime the skin. I tried this new spray here. This is by H2O Beauty, the Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist.
Ooh, I don't have that, but instead, I'm just going to use like what I do have. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Vitamin Infused, oh my god, I cannot speak today. Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So I'm just going to spritz this all over my face. Wait, I'm going to see if that's what he does.
I'm obsessed with
Oh, wow.
spraying the face.
Gorgeous.
Ooh, do you see you can see the mist up in this camera. Okay, HD. Come on, 2018. Can we get a slow-mo?
Ooh. Oh my god, love it. I'm also going to put some MAC Fix Plus on my face as well. Wow, I'm so wet now. Okay, wow, that came out so wrong.
Brows, we want full, we want 90s, we want supermodel brows. I'm gonna go ahead and fill
so
it.
he's using the Benefit brow pencil, I think. I have that one.
Before I moved on, I wanted to show you guys a trick because
Got it.
I got my brows done and I kind of want to make them more straight because this one is a little bit too arched for me. It's all
Oh my
just
God.
preference, but
I have the complete opposite problem. My eyebrows are too straight.
if you guys want to get a more full brow, it doesn't have to be just the top or make the arch, because otherwise if you pull the arch too much on the top, it'll just look like that. Whereas we can dictate the shape and make it lower and more fierce for that edgy, you know, fierce brow. This kind of gives you that like supermodel frown, you know?
Oh my gosh, I never use eyebrow pencils. This is really weird for me. So I'm just gonna try my best to draw underneath the eyebrow to make it a little bit more straight like he said. Oh my gosh. This is weird. I'm literally praying that he cleans up under the brows, otherwise I'm screwed.
These are my brows. I know they look scary, but we're gonna blend a little bit later.
Okay, wow. He definitely filled in the top of his brows as well. The next step is to go in with the concealer. I'm just gonna do exactly what he did with his brows, just like carve the absolute life out of the top and the bottom of my brows. This part is gonna be my absolute savior with the shape of them. By the way, I'm not entirely sure who made up this challenge, but I will leave their link down below.
For the face, I'm gonna take a little bit of Benefit Professional and apply this on my cheek.
Benefit Professional. Yes, I have this one right here. I don't think I've used this tube actually. I think it's a new one. Because I don't really have big pores, so I don't usually use it, but we are copying everything.
Oh, and yes, I'm missing a nail.
I was missing a nail this morning and I just got it fixed. I'm just gonna rub this all over, girl. Wow, my brows are just like chilling. Let's see what's next.
I'm going to take a brand new foundation. This one is called the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear
I have that one.
Foundation. I heard lots of good things. It's my first time trying it. This
Okay.
is...
Let's get it. I literally have all of the shades here, so I'm just going to go ahead and pick out my color. Oh, God. Okay, so let's see how he blends it out.
the Huahine. Huahine. Huahine.
Me.
Nice coverage. It's cute. Next, for the under eyes, I'm gonna
girl.
do a
That was quick. All right, let's do this. My favorite part about watching makeup tutorials is watching people blend in their foundation. that. Gotta be quick. It's so crazy to see the power of editing, like, because I know how long it actually takes to do your makeup and to edit all of this stuff, and then just to see it whipped up in a video, it's just so cool. All right, let's blend this in. This foundation is so beautiful. Oh, I like this color as well. You know what I just realized? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to do my eyes after my foundation. I've literally never done that in my life. I always do my eyes first because I always get fallout. Oh. Foundation is blended.
Concoction of concealers for the face. First, I have been loving the YSL Touche Eclat.
I don't have that concealer, so I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And I'm just gonna do what he does under the eyes.
And it's so easy and it's a pen. And you see the secret to a Patrick Star face is that we're going to draw lots of light towards the middle. So under the eyes, on the nose, and contour all around. So if you guys want attention to your face, just do that with all the concealer.
Okay, I'm just going to go with a lighter shade then, if that's the case.
Alright, now I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and blend all this concealer. And bounce the Beauty Blender all over my face.
Okay, let's go and blend it out. Oh, it's so weird not having my eyeshadow done.
Alright guys, I'm going to immediately set with my one and only Patrick's Powder from MAC Cosmetics. We're launching internationally this month.
I got this powder. I have never baked as much as he does, so this is going to be interesting.
So next you're going to take a bunch of powder and just beat your face like you in the 90s. Like you a 90s supermodel, okay? Because everything back then was matte. I love top...
I don't have a puffer thing. I don't know what that is. I don't have it, so I'm just going to go with my brush and slap this on my face. Oh my god, I feel like I'm not adding enough. Oh my god, it's going everywhere. No! My face is going to be so dry after this. Oh my god. That makes my face look so soft.
I'm going to start off and take a little bit of caramel.
Okay, so I'm going to go find a palette that's similar to that one. So I'm going to take the Baked Browns palette by Dose of Colors. This one is very pigmented. I'm going to take the shade Deserted. It's this one right here. I feel like that's very similar to the one that he's using.
I'm in and apply this all over the crease. Ooh, so soft. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of hazel.
Hold up, girl. Oh my god, he must have primed his eyes. Sneaky devil. Missed that one. Actually, I'm going to go in with this color right here instead. I feel like that one's a lot more similar to the one Patrick's using. It's a bit more of like a pinky tone. This one's called Outdoorsy. These shadows are so incredibly pigmented, so I'm just going to try and keep a light hand with this. Okay, so he blends it in all the way to the inner corner, so I'm going to make sure to do that.
Next, I'm going to take a little bit of hazelnut and mix it with mocha.
Wait, what was mocha?
And apply
this
this.
is so
I'll start off
quick.
with mocha.
Okay, so I'm going to mix these two colors together. Holy crap, this is working so well with this palette.
And apply this on the inner and outer crease.
So I'm going to leave the middle of my eye free, which is going to be really difficult because I basically have no eye shape. I meant no space because my eyes are so little.
Morphe M433. This is a must-have brush. If you guys want to copy
Oh my god, that's what I'm
using
using.
the
How
P-Star.
random.
This is the Lit Addicted plus silver. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the center of my lid. Do you see that?
Oh my god, that is incredible. So what I'm going to do is go in with the Inglot Pure Pigment Eyeshadow in the shade of 124. This is incredible. And then underneath that, I'm going to take a glitter glue. This one's from Violet Voss. So I'm just going to pop this in the center of my lid. He did bring it up really high as well. I have hooded eyes. This is going to look so different on me. This is the part I'm nervous about when it comes to fallout. I'm just going to pack this down. Oh my god, there's fallout. How did he do that? Oh wait, he still has bake under his eyes? He didn't show that.
So for this look, I have been loving this Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in dark brown. I just love a good...
I think I got rid of that one because it was bleeding on me. So I'm going to go in with my Mellow Cosmetics liquid liner.
Now for the bottom of the waterline, I'm going to go ahead and take this beautiful MAC pencil. It's such a pretty color.
Oh, I have this one that might work. This one's from Urban Decay. Looks like that. It's really a little bit too orange. I'm going to go in with a little bit of black over the top so it kind of makes the same shade as his.
And I'm going to take the newest Bad Gal Bang mascara by
Oh,
Benefit.
yes, I have that one. That's so funny because he still has his bake on. So I'm just going to leave mine on.
Can I just say, I feel
Ooh.
so much better double stacking my lashes because something was off. As soon as I smoked it out, something was off. So I took just some random pair of
Okay,
lashes.
so we did his lower lash line as well and double stack his lashes. So I'll go do that.
So I'm going to dust off the fallout with the baking powder. Oh, look how flawless. And I'm going to take...
Ah! It's going so fast. Okay. Dusting off the fallout. Please come off. Oh, it's like stuck to my skin. Bit of a white cast, but that's alright.
my Makeup Forever Pro Finish Powder. It's a foundation powder with my Morphe E51 brush. Love this brush. Go ahead and add some color back into my face. Ooh, we looking cute.
I have
Guys, I'm
so
looking
much product on my face right now. I feel weird putting more on. Oh.
Now for the under eye, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Pro Finish again in a lighter color in the 128 brush.
I'm just going to go in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contouring Palette, and I'm going to pick up this, what one? Maybe a mixture between these two here. I'm just going to pack this under my eyes like here's. Oh my god, that's so light. This is scary. I need to go in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless because like all the concealer's coming off. I feel like all this baking is like lifting all of my concealer. I don't know how he does it. His face looks incredible. What the fuck?
Alright, I'm going to take this color Deep Dark. It's a mineralized skin finish. I love this powder.
Let's go in and bronze the face. I'm just gonna put heaps of this on because my face is like way too yellow right now. The bronzer that I'm going to take is from Guerlain. It's in the shade Terracotta. This is like the most similar shade that I have to what he was using here. But we do have completely different skin tones anyway, so it wouldn't work for me what he's using.
Take my favorite blush ever. This is called Peaches by MAC.
I think I have that one as well.
Okay. I love blush. Blush seems to be overlooked, but I feel like everyone
wow.
should
He
try
loves his
blush.
blush.
You can contour with it. Last but not least, we are to lips. This is the combo that I was
What do you
inspired
mean last
by.
but not least? What about highlight? Oh, if he doesn't put highlight on, I'm going to cry.
We are to lips. This is the combo that I was inspired by Makeup by Ariel and Shay Mitchell on her channel.
I'm going to go in with the Mellow Lip Pencil in the shade Harper. And I'm going to overdraw my lips a lot. Oh my god, I don't know how this is going to look on me. I'm kind of scared for this part. Holy crap, this is actually impossible to find a color like that. I don't know what to do. That's so pink. I'm just going to put some gloss on over the top. Okay, so here we have the finished look. The only thing that I'm thinking is my lips look ridiculous. They look like I've got at least 20 mils in there. Like they need to... No, I don't like the gloss on there. I really like how the makeup turned out. I love the halo eye. I kind of want to do this for my 21st. It's coming up really soon. It's like in 3 weeks or something. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I wanted to try something a little bit different, and Patrick Star is so incredible, so I thought he'd be the perfect person to kind of like recreate their makeup look. So if you want me to do anyone else, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.